नमा एक हम लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली मेरे और पल्लवी के लिए, इट्स अ temple for us. We wanted to make something different. So we started with the name itself as Namaha. Nothing is mine, everything is yours. Harsh, let's begin.
We are the co-founders of Namaha,
Arvind Shetty.
and I'm Pallavi Shetty. It's like this is home for us. So we have tried to create a South Indian traditional home where we serve basic, clean, comforting food. We just want to give everybody who comes in the experience of a South Indian home. So this is our selfie space, जहाँ यहाँ पर आके सब लोग pictures खींचते हैं. And if you see here, this is a stone Deepastambha. So this is a very old traditional Deepastambha होता है जिसमें we actually burn lamps in it. It's like a stone Deepastambha. अगर ये दरवाज़ा देखें आप तो ये एक प्रॉपर साउथ इंडियन घर का दरवाज़ा है with एक नेम प्लेट है यहाँ पर, मैंगलोरियन टाइल्स है, ancient wooden door है with carvings and also brass ornamented on the door. So this is like a proper South Indian home. Namaskara. Namma Banni, all of you.
We wanted to make something different. So we started with the name itself as Namaha. Nothing is mine, everything is yours.
This is an experience actually. So we wanted to give Mumbai the experience of how it feels in a South Indian home.
It's a tribute to, we can say, to Bangalore. डोसा बनाना मैं घर पे पहले सीख गया, फिर आके यहाँ सीख ली. I have made several dosas. I've learned from my mom, and now I've been learning with them also. यहाँ कम से कम दिन में 2500 से 3000 डोसा रोज का बनता है.
Sagar, the dosa master को छुट्टी. You will take over as a dosa master.
I'll do that if you pay me properly.
We wanted to create a space where we wanted to give back to Mumbai for all these years of love that Mumbai has shown. We have grown up in this, and Mumbai lacked this feeling, this vibe, this experience. So we wanted to create a South Indian, more of a Karnataka space. We are from Karnataka, Mangalore, Bangalore. This space we wanted to create in Mumbai. So even today, anybody who comes inside Namaha, they feel like you have come to a home.
We feel satisfied when people say कि हमको आप लोगों ने अपना गांव याद दिला दिया.
So guys, क्या लगता है नमा में लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा खाने में क्या पसंद आता है?
ये चीज़ तो आपको कस्टमर्स को डायरेक्ट पूछना चाहिए.
So I really like the mendu vada and this milkshake over here.
I like the garlic masala dosa. It's very nice.
I do like very much Tate idli, Jain, coconut punch, the beautiful, best. And the pineapple sira is amazing.
We like filter coffee most and all kind of idli and dosas.
If you want to have good South Indian food, do visit Nama. And this monsoon season, this place is apt for it.
I think I've loved almost everything here. The pongal is one of my favorites. The idli and the dosas are like to die for. The idlis are so soft and pillowy. I think they're the best that I've had in Bombay so far.
So I guess this is the first time I've come to Nama, and I believe that the Thatte Idli was one of my favorites here today. Also, I really love the Mysore Pak.
Very glad that my niece Tanvi, she got me here at Nama, and I'm enjoying the food very much.
I think the podi masala dosa and the podi idlis make me want to come back again and again.
We have always tried the dosa, the rice, curd rice. I'm trying for the second time. I'm eating it every day. And yeah, I mean, all the food is the best.
My favorite was open butter masala dosa. It was so delicious. We bought 2 and we are actually taking 2 parcel.
This is the courtyard space. So हम चाहते थे कि इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से engaging way से हम इसको divide करें. ये मेरा favorite space है. हालांकि we don't get the time to sit here much. इसे इनके जो pillars अगर आप देख, they are very beautiful pillars. यहाँ पे एक सुंदर सा हमने जो gazebo जैसे बनाया हुआ है, and यहाँ का जो landscaping भी हमने किया है. And this is the most romantic space. And ये जो चीज़ है, it's called Tottiman है. In south in Karnataka we call this Tottimane. Tottimane is usually in the center of the house. तो ये हमने यहाँ पे create किया है vibe के लिए. So it's like all Sadar Ali textures. Sadar Ali is a tech name of a stone. तो हमने यहाँ पे Sadar Ali के pillars हमने use करे हैं. Don't miss the ceiling. These are Mangalore tiles. And इस पर tiles अंदर की तरफ भी design है और बाहर की तरफ भी design है. So the whole vibe and feeling is very romantic, and in the range I think this is the most beautiful space. Basically Mumbai space is a luxury. So even the concept was there in our minds for the longest time. The space was what we were looking for. We did not want to open Namaha in a small space. We wanted it to be a bigger space, a larger space. This whole, we never wanted our customers, our guests to be standing in long queues. So even today when there are long queues, we feel anxious. We're like, jaldi jaldi le lo sabko, you know, it's very uncomfortable to see people, you know, going through so much inconvenience. This is our dining space, and we have a combination of seating as well as standing, and also sitting. We have created another amphitheater space to one corner. So we have a good combination. जो हमारा USP है, the USP is the largest pickup counter. Along with the big kitchen, हमारा जो pickup counter, so everything is visible here. As I mentioned earlier, it's a darshini. Darshini is where you see the food being cooked.
Normally we don't take anyone inside the kitchen, you know, but we want to show the Mumbaikars how we maintain and how we make our, you know, food. We make our own pudi here, that is called idli pudi, sambar pudi, everything. All the sambars, every masalas are made here, are in-house. ये हमारा 4 steamer machine है कॉपर का, जो एक टाइम पे 150 इडली इसमें बनती है, एक टाइम पे एक मशीन में. And at a time, we can, within 10 minutes, we can serve approximately 600 idlis.
The staffing is almost like, as he said, 185, but we have almost 140 people working in the kitchen. So to take them together and to keep them happy and to look after them, majorly there were a lot of times when they wanted to go back home, they felt homesick, there were issues back home. So, you know, to be always like a mentor, so we are like the mother and father to them. But it's beautiful. I think today it's 45 days, and today we have reached a point where I can very proudly say we are one big family, and we have, you know, we have broken all barriers that were there between us all, and we all together are taking Namaha forward. Actually, if you go, अगर आप down south जाते हैं, तो लोग दर्शिनी में QSRs में डोसा, चाय, डोसा, कॉफ़ी लेकर कहीं भी बैठ जाते हैं. तो जो stairs पे बैठ के खाना खाते हैं, जो that feeling है, so that is what I wanted to get to Mumbai. So that is the reason we created this beautiful amphitheater seating. Actually, you know what, when the celebrities come, we give them a space of normalcy. हम उनको, because we want them to come, so we do not document them, we do not call the paps. हम वो सब नहीं करते. तो कार्तिक आर्यन has come, Anupam Kher has come, Gaurav Gera, he's a regular, Dhruv Sehgal is a regular, Shreya Dhanvantri is a regular, Juhi Babbar. So now they are like, they like it because कोई उनको तंग नहीं करता, कोई उनको ऐसे ये नहीं करता, वो लोग आते हैं, खाते हैं. Lot of them are coming.
18th May we
Had the grand launch. 19th May we opened doors, and the day we opened doors at 11 in the morning, we had a crowd outside since I think 9 in the morning.
and people waiting to open the door.
We opened doors. It's like वो school छूटता है और बच्चे अंदर आते हैं. It was like that.
And we didn't expect
We
this
did
kind
not
of,
expect. It
love
was
from people.
grace of God. I mean, it's not normal. No F&B industry is prepared to serve 3,000 people on the very first day. The queue was unending. Something that we did not want to do. We never wanted queues. We never wanted lines outside. And that's when we felt, oh shit, उसके इतना करने के बाद भी बाहर line खड़ा है. इतनी बड़ी जगह के होने के बावजूद बाहर line हो रही है. तो but at 8:30 in the night, when the queues were not stopping, I have literally, he doesn't know about it because वो बोलेगा कि how can you send customers back? But I have literally gone and stood at that my entrance and said, please don't come because the line was unending, and don't come. We are getting sold out. मेरा batter खत्म हो गया है. I literally told them this. मेरा बैटर खत्म हो गया. I can't serve you guys. I was literally very sorry about it. But then we never expected this. So now we are working on adding more to the menu, beginning with different types of idlis for now. So ये हमारा idli का trials are going on for the past 3-4 days. Idli, this is a ragi idli. I think ragi is the nachmil idli. I personally feel कि idli और सब खाते तो चटनी के साथ नहीं खाना चाहिए. Idli का character as it is जानना is very important. मस्त है यार. सच में तो खा के देख.
तो खा के देख.
अरे हाथ से खा.
तो बोलेगा कैसा इडली कैसे होता है.
Yeah, I think
Enough?
it's better than the normal idli also. See, my prayers changed. Earlier, I used to pray that अच्छा होने दो, let us be business होने दो, let us people come, let Namaha grow. 19th night, 20th morning, I started praying, God give me the strength. So give us the strength to serve better. Give us the strength to feed as many people as they can come. And even today, we are serving 3,500 people average. Weekends are 4,500, 5,500 on Sundays.
Average 5,000. That's why we have named as Namma Mane, Nimma Mane.
Namma is mine, Nimma is yours, Mane is home. So my home is your home. And home is where you come again and again. Home is a feeling. Home is a nostalgia. तो ये सारा उसी से, तो हम सभी इसको घर जैसे ही समझते हैं. तो ये हमारा घर ही है.
नमा आपके लिए क्या है?
नमा एक हम लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली मेरे और पल्लवी के लिए, इट्स अ टेम्पल फॉर अस.
Yeah, it's a temple. So it's like एक battalion सा एक team जैसे बना है. And ये जैसे लोग मिलते गए और कारवा बनते गया.
And this is called, लोगों का आशीर्वाद मिलना. So we call it as a temple.
नमः को हम एक लाइन, 2 लाइन या पैराग्राफ में हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. नमः इज़ एन इमोशन. आपको यहाँ आना पड़ेगा, आपको यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा. ओनली देन विल यू नो व्हाट नमः इज. सो नमस्कार, वेलकम टू नमः.